Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best food processor you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best food processor on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which food processor are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Xylis Manual Food Processor. The Xylis Easy Pull Manual Food Processor and Chopper is the ultimate compact food processor and chopper. This versatile tool is ideal for chopping, blending and pureeing ingredients. The patented Swiss design blade cuts through even the toughest foods like carrots and other hard foods. It features a booster arm for even chopping of large and small quantities and a large 25-ounce bowl. Focusing on functionality, durability, design, cleanliness and safety, Xylis has relied upon a heritage of excellence that began in Switzerland over 60 years ago. Building on this time-held tradition. For details, let's watch. Our second best food processor is Cuisinart DLC2 ABC Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus processor handles a variety of food preparation tasks including chopping, grinding, emulsifying and blending. The blunt edge offers a powerful cutting surface to grind through spices and other hard foods. Pulse activation gives maximum control for precision processing, whether chopping or grinding. Spatula, product manual and recipe booklet included. The Mini Prep Plus processor takes up minimum counter space and stores neatly on the countertop or in a cabinet. Best practices when using your Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus processor size: always cut large pieces of food into smaller pieces of even size. If you don't start with pieces that are small and uniform, you will not get an even chop. Quantity: you don't want to overload the 3-cup work bowl. Use the quantities given in the included recipe section of the product manual. For details, let's watch. Number 3 in our list is Ninja BN601 Food Processor. The Ninja brand has been a leader in kitchen appliances, delivering innovative products for decades. Now introducing the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Make food prep easier with its power, intelligence, and versatility. The 1000 peak watt motor and preset programs chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces and cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. Simply pulse some warm water and 1 to 2 small drops of dish soap to quickly clean the bowl and blades. All parts are BPA free and dishwasher safe. Easily swap disc and blades by placing them on the bowl center post. For details, let's watch. Fourth recommendation in our side is Hamilton 70730 food processor. With the Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper food processor, there's no need to stop and remove the lid to dislodge food from the side of the bowl. The built-in scraper does the work for you, even while the processor is on for continuous processing. Kitchen tips: for a more uniform consistency, start with pieces of food that are similar in size. Cut food into 1-inch pieces before processing with a chopping/mixing blade and leave room in the bowl for the food to be tossed around. When chopping foods, pulsing on and off will produce the best results. Operating time will depend on the quantity of food being processed. Most foods can be sliced, chopped, or shredded in seconds. To slice or shred cheese, use firm cheeses like cheddar or Swiss that have been chilled for at least 30 minutes. For details, let's watch. Last in our top 5 best food processor is Hamilton 70725A food processor. Designed to be uniquely simple, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 12-cup food processor requires no twisting, turning or locking during assembly. Instead, it's as easy as stacking the 12-cup bowl onto the base, then snapping on the lid. Easy to use, disc attachments are reversible and labeled, which takes the guesswork out of processing. The label should face up for the desired function. When using disc attachment, do not process foods past the max level indicator on the bowl. For details, let's watch. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick List for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!